Welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the sign language to text converter using Python. So this will be the graph like training accuracy and validation accuracy. This is training loss and validation loss. This is training accuracy and validation accuracy. Okay, so these are the graphs. This will be the user interface. This is the about section. It will give the complete description about project. Let's click on real-time conversion using ResNet. So we'll make the prediction using the algorithm ResNet, Inception and the VGG16. So right now it is predicting the C, Y, T, okay, X. Let's click on real-time conversion using Inception algorithm. So it will open the laptop front camera and it will detect the human hand sign. Okay, right now it is predicting C, O. If you want show anything on the front of camera, then it will show nothing. Let's check with real-time conversion using VGG16. Okay. N. So this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter module used to develop the user interface. And this is the complete project. If you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you are searching entire project ideas, then you can contact. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.